Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naya. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this makeup look. Okay, first things first, I started off by priming my eyelids with some concealer. And I've already done my brows off camera. You already know the deal with that. And I just want to make sure that I blend this all the way out so I can have a good canvas to start on. Okay, now I'm taking my Morphe palette. This is the color Ablaze. And I'm going to be applying this color in my outer crease. And this is more like a deep burnt orange color. And I'm really packing this in. And now I'm taking the color Terracotta. It's more of a, on camera it looks kind of bright orange, but in person it's more of like a deep brownish orange. And now I'm just blending these two colors into each other. And now I'm about to do a cut crease. I'm not doing a full-on cut crease. You guys are gonna see in a minute what I'm about to do. Okay, so now I'm just doing like a half cut crease and I'm blending out this concealer. And now I'm taking this green shade. I don't know the name of this palette. This palette is really old that I got from a friend a long time ago. But I am taking this green shade. I am just packing it right on top of that concealer. And I'm really using a lot of it because I really want the green to be very pigmented. Okay, now I'm going in with the green shade next to it, which is a little bit deeper. And I'm going to be putting this on the outer part. Kind of make the green, I guess, more of a, not smoky, but I guess like a dirty green color. I kind of just came up with this look on top of my head. But now I'm taking the color Toast from the Morphe palette. I'm going to be popping that right on top of that dark green to give it that murky, dirty look. And I'm just going to be blending this out. And now I'm taking a blending brush and just blending those colors in furthermore. Okay, so now I'm taking my ColourPop palette, and this is the shade Keep It PG. And I'm placing this in the middle of my eye to kind of just make it pop a little bit. And now I'm taking my Itsmyrayeraye palette. This is the color Angel. And I am popping this right on top of that color I just applied. And I'm doing this because the first color wasn't really that vibrant. I wanted to pop even more. So I'm just placing this right on top. Okay, now I'm just going to do a simple wing eyeliner. Of course, I got my tape on. It just makes life so much easier. Okay, after that, I'm just going in with my foundation. And this is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. Okay, after that, now I'm spraying my beauty blender and I applied some highlight concealer and now I'm just blending that in. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer. Okay, now I am going in with my Airspun baking powder. And usually I don't do this. Usually I take my banana powder by Makeup Revolution and I'll press it into my skin. But I decided to switch it up today. And I'm adding a lot because I really want my face to be more on the matte side, because I am really, really oily. Okay, so now I'm taking my Black Radiance concealer stick. This is also another product that I normally don't use. And okay, so now I'm taking my, what brush is this? This is the, wow, okay, I can't remember, but I'll put it down in the description box. Okay, so now I'm just taking this brush and I am blending that out. Real Techniques, that's the name. Yep, the Expert Face Brush. Now I'm taking my Itsmyrayeraye palette. This is the contour shade Brownie, I believe. And I'm just going to be setting my contour with that. Okay, now I'm dusting off this powder. Now I'm contouring my nose. This is just powder alone. And now I'm taking the highlight from my Itsmyrayeraye palette, and this is in the shade, I think it's Moonlight? Yeah, Moonlight. And I'm just highlighting my cheeks. Tip of my lip, my nose. Of course, my brow bone. And this is a liquid lipstick by NYX. Can't remember the shade, but I'll have it down below in the description box. Applying some setting spray. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like what you see, don't forget to comment down below, like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!